Okay, they want us to find the derivative of this problem here. They say that x is a function of time, y is a function of x. This is the first derivative of x with respect to time. When x equals 1, find the first derivative of y with respect to x. Okay, so we have y equals x cubed plus 1, and we want to take the derivative of this. So this will become y prime. Normally, we just do power rule with an x here. So the 3 becomes a 2, the 3 kind of comes down there. But x is a function of time. So by chain rule, we would also have x prime, which is whatever the derivative of x is. Okay. And then the derivative of 1, that's a constant, so that's just 0, so it's plus 0. Now let's look at what was given to us. So we have the first derivative of x with respect to t is 4, so that means that we could plug in 4 here when x equals 1. So this is a 4 when this is a 1. And in that case, we can find what it should equal. So we have 3 times 1 squared times 4, and that should do it. So 1 squared is just 1. 3 times 4 is 12. So in this case, it looks like the first derivative of y with respect to x when x is 1 is 12. Okay, so that's about it. That's all we really have to do.